Hey y'all, and welcome back. It's Shay from Lace Point Resin, and I wanted to stop to make sure I showed y'all a older piece that I did for a customer, social media influencer. Her name is Aisha Bow. Love her. She's greatness. So I will leave a link down in the description box so that you can check her out. But she is very much in love with charcuterie boards, and I did everything I could to not disappoint. So starting this off with a gray base, only because it's all I had. I would have done black, but I didn't have any at the time, so did the gray, and I just started the pour with a completely black base. Now, any other time I would not say this, but right now, do not be like me and not let your paint dry first. I was just being hard-headed and impatient, so I didn't let my paint dry, and that means I cannot spread the resin easily, which means I am now trying to hand tilt the board so that it can spread out. Now, it doesn't do anything. It's not smearing with the paint or anything. The wood is porous, so it's fine. But yeah, don't be like me and do this. Aisha wanted a black and gold board, which I love black and gold color schemes, but this was also before I used the heat gun more to push things around, so this is still when I was mainly using a torch. The torch does very good at lacing, so I still love the effect that the torch does, but for anybody who's trying to use the heat gun works perfectly fine. For this also, just remember the type of nozzles will change the type of pushing that your resin will do. Crystals to the board. I'm not putting down too many. This is still supposed to be a usable board for Aisha, so I wanted to make sure that it was just a little bit of an accent. I did add additional accents using gold leaf. It is super easy to do. You just get gold leaf adhesive. I had these gold leaf strips. So you can either break up your own leaf or buy it already in a container that's already torn apart, but I just use things that were already torn and super easy to put down. You don't even have to do the top coat specifically that's for the gold leaf because you're going to be resining on top of it anyway. I'm just adding a few more little accent pieces of glass, crushed glass, just makes it a bit more sparkly. And here we have the final piece. It was really fun to work on. I loved how it turned out. I hope you love how it turned out. Most importantly, Aisha loved how it turned out. So that is the main thing that matters. I will leave her link in the description box below if you want to check her out. Again, I love her to death. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I would love for y'all to come visit me at lacepointresin.com. You will be able to contact me for commissions as well as find all of the artwork that's available for purchase. That includes gallery art, table and kitchen decor, the latest of my NFL series, crystals, and where I get my pigments. Or if you just want to get to know me, that's there too. You can also add your email to the Lace Point Collectors Club for updates. Hope to see you.